You design, we print and ship. You sell, we print and ship. You sell, you print local. This is SUNSKY Print on Demand Service, or POD. POD means instant printing and delivery based on the specific needs of customers, without the need for advanced batch production or inventory storage. Relying on more than 20 years of global e-commerce experience and technology accumulation, SUNSKY has the ability to print on demand, produce quickly, and deliver globally. Today, let us take you to explore how SUNSKY POD service works. Open the SUNSKY website and in the category navigation bar, enter the exclusive POD product area, which includes clothing, hats, pillows, USB flash drives, bags, decorative paintings, etc. These products are strictly controlled by our product team to ensure product quality and printing quality. Let's choose clothes and click POD on the product details page to open the design page. You will find that the system adds text to you by default. You can modify the text, select the color and font, etc. If you don't need it, click the trash can icon below to delete it. You can also upload pictures. Let's upload a picture to try, such as this picture. After a slight adjustment, it looks good. After the design is completed, click Add to Cart to start placing an order. The rest of the production and delivery will be left to us, of course. If you have more needs, contact your sales manager for help. Use POD to create differentiated products and increase profit margins through SUNSKY ERP. You can upload our POD products to your online store and then use related plugins to implement POD functions such as SB Custom Product Personalizer. SUNSKY ERP integrates mainstream e-commerce platforms such as Shopify, WooCommerce, TikTok, Magento, BigCommerce, Wix, Shopline, Shift4Shop, etc., and provides functions such as product batch listing, logistics settings, order management, and report analysis, providing you with a one-stop e-commerce solution and convenient delivery services. For more information, please visit erp.sunsky-online.com. Want to print and produce locally so that you can ship faster? We can help you. We provide a variety of printing machines covering common product categories and printing processes. After you receive the printing machine, we will also teach you how to use the machine, provide design resources, and help you win more orders. SUNSKY will provide you with after-sales service guarantee throughout the process. In addition to daily purchases of POD products at SUNSKY to meet personalized needs, no need for inventory, global delivery, differentiated competition, and increased profits are the obvious advantages of POD. Start your POD journey at SUNSKY now.